This is the brief on the BMW M concept Neue Klasse. Premiering at Le Mans in June 2026, this concept is BMW M GmbH's preview of an all-electric, high-performance future, acting as the ultimate bridge between loud, old-school motorsport and the silent electric frontier. First, let's look at the exterior design and aerodynamics. Draped in stunning Monza red metallic, you've got this aggressive shark nose merging the headlights and kidney grille, flowing back to a sharp rear ducktail spoiler. You literally have a trimaran-style front bumper, basically like a high-speed sailing boat built to slice right through the air, perfectly accented by GT racing-inspired M yellow lights and track lights. Now, this radical exterior totally sets the tone for an equally intense, stripped-down experience inside. Second, we have the driver-focused cockpit. It's super minimalist, blending black nubuck leather, knit fabrics, and natural fiber elements around a floating dashboard with M-specific hexagonal backlighting. With 4 new bucket seats and glowing red 5-point belts, you kind of have to ask yourself, are we picking up groceries or strapping in for a literal track day? So what exactly is powering this track-ready spacecraft? Finally, we get to the performance and technology. The BMW M eDrive system uses 4 electric motors managed by a central supercomputer nicknamed the Heart of Joy for precise wheel-specific control. It packs 800-volt technology and a massive 100-plus kilowatt-hour battery. Crucially, they used structural integration, which is like building the heavy battery directly into the car's skeleton at the front and rear axles, drastically lowering the center of gravity for absolute elite handling. Ultimately, the concept Neue Klasse proves the electric future of driving is absolutely going to hold on to its aggressive, high-performance racing soul.